Hello. So today I'm going to address a question that gets asked very often by people that come on our photo tours in Scotland or Iceland. And that question is, what lens should I buy? Some people want to have information on a wide angle lens, some people want to have information on a telephoto lens. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to take a series of photographs of the scene in front of me that will demonstrate the field of view from different lenses on a full frame camera. Okay, so I've taken a series of photographs at different focal lengths starting at 17 millimeters. So it's 17, 20, 24, 35, 50, 70, 100, 135 and 200. That gives you a pretty good idea of the field of view of a series of lenses that you would typically have in your camera bag. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop the photographs up on the screen and you'll see the focal lens there, the focal length of the lens used on the screen, and you'll be able to compare wide angle to telephoto, and then from that hopefully you can decide which one is going to be best for you. This is just a very short demonstration of what different lenses can do for your photography. Go in the camera bag is something along the lines of 17 to 40, 24 to 70, 70 to 200. In my case I've got 17 to 40, 24 to 105 and 70 to 200. I also carry a 50mm nifty 50 1.8 just if I want to get that shallow depth of field. So there's lenses out there for different things, but today's video is just to cover field of view. So I hope you found that helpful. If you have, there'll be similar content posted in the future. Please like and subscribe, and thanks very much for joining us today.